Naming and identity. Let's look at a particular subset of nouns, proper nouns, the names we use to address people and places. It's easy to remember proper nouns because they have proper capital letters. They stand out. Joey, Mrs. Doubtfire, the Eiffel Tower, Patagonia, the place and the company. Giving people, places and things proper names isn't just attaching a label, it's a gesture of identity, of power. Proper nouns and names confer a certain status, a recognition in the world. They say, this matters, this has an identity. Names are one of the first things we learn when we meet a new person. What's your name? Instantly, there's a bridge between us. We and our identities and emotions are deeply attached to names. When someone calls you a name in praise or in anger, it can stick. In a crowded room, our ears prick up on hearing our own name, the cocktail party effect. So there's power in the names we claim for ourselves and give to others, something you can exploit as a writer. Authors usually give a lot of thought to names. They're full of associations, social class, age, gender, place, register, as well as sound effects. Charles Dickens is famously expressive with names, often giving his characters speaking names, using sound, wordplay and exaggeration to hint at character traits. Ebenezer Scrooge in A Christmas Carol. Scrooge evokes squeezing, crushing, scrounge and grouch. Ebenezer, squeezing, and a grand biblical name he doesn't live up to. Agatha Christie's Miss Marple, a plain, every woman name with soft consonants, mild, non-threatening, the perfect disguise for a detective. Sound qualities and associations are a great way to make the most of names of people and places. But let's go further. How can you use names to drive story? Naming has power because it's also an action, a gesture. How characters use names is a great way to show relationships and status in action. So let's think of names with relevant action verbs. For example, change your name, withhold, assert, or use it to respect, threaten, empower, undermine, or mock. People assume different names in different contexts, with family, lover, at work, in disguise. So crossing these divides is a great source of tension. And what about not naming the thing in the corner, the one who shall not be named, ways to create fear, reverence, or erasure? To sum up, in writing, proper nouns well chosen can do a lot of heavy lifting, and naming actions can create identity, status, allegiance, and power. So when you write, ask yourself how you can get more impact from names, get more story impact from actions around names. Let's move on to the next section. What are the main types of nouns, and how can you use them?